What's up, everybody? Trying this out with a new microphone and better quality video since when we last talked about the solar, it was on the live. I didn't feel the quality was all the way there, so just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of the roof and how we have everything mounted. So we're here, Walmart parking lot. Pretty awesome. So anyway, we have 4 solar panels. So there's 2 in the front, so that's the front of the RV. What you'll see, here, and then I'll show you back here behind me, 2 more. We have the space to put in even more. One thing that really drew us to this coach, which is a 2003 Winnebago Adventurer, is the amount of space on the roof. Our AC units our AC unit is below. It's a heat pump system, just like a residential one. It just happens to be in the basement of the RV. So anyway, we're able to fit 4 panels up here. They're really big. So these panels measure, I think, 40 inches by 80 inches. They're 330 watt, 24 volt panels. So what happens is, since they're 24 volt here, down in the basement, the inverter charger takes the additional voltage that's over 12, or actually over probably like 16, and converts that into amperage. So we're able to push 100 amps using these solar panels. There we go. All right, so you'll see that is the remnants of a satellite dish. So I took the pan, the actual dish part, backing off of it so that it wouldn't really mess with and shadow the solar panels. And then down here you can see, well, you may not be able to see, let me see if I can get in close. There's a silver piece right here. What I did is I took off the TV antenna. I just unbolted it from the roof so that I would have more space to put the solar panel up. I also wouldn't have to worry about it. We don't watch TV. Even if we did, it's a crappy antenna. I just didn't want to deal with it, so took it off. So basically these 2 are wired together here, and we run a single positive and negative over to our junction box, and the 2 in the back are done the same. So you'll see here, wired together, 2 wires into our junction box. Now the junction box, so all these wires connect up to their relative bus panel, and then we run 2-gauge cable from the roof down the refrigerator vent and over to our to the rest of the system. One different thing that we did here, so we have a all fiberglass roof. Some of them are the is it EDM? No, that's electronic dance music. TPM? No, I can't remember. It's the other style roof. It's got like a thin membrane as the top. To me, it kind of looks like vinyl. Anyway, with fiberglass roofs, they tell you, like, really you shouldn't drill into them. So what we used are these feet, and you'll see a bracket bar back there. So each on each of the corners, and then one on each side in the middle. And they are stuck to the roof using 3M VHB tape. So one thing we did learn about VHB tape, once it goes down and it sticks to something, there's really no getting it back up. So it's down. We've tried lifting it off. I come back and I test it, once a week just to make sure, and there is no getting that stuff back up. There is a way, but not by pulling it. You have to use some solvents and stuff like that. Anyway, so these 4 panels are stuck up here real good. And there is one thing, I still need to unscrew all these and seal around. That way the water just doesn't sit on the VHB tape. Help it last a little bit longer. But anyway, that's the view of the roof. Yeah, Kevin, Vegan RV. Enjoy this. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can reach out to me, reach out to us on any of the Instagram, Twitter, Facebooks, email, snail mail, all that stuff. So anyway, hope this is helpful. Talk to you guys later. See ya.